Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today's tutorial is based on how to add multiple accounts on Facebook. So in order to have a multiple account, all you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Before we get started, make sure that you've updated your Facebook application to the latest version, and also make sure to check your internet connection. So without any further delay, let us get started. So then open up your Facebook application. As you open up your Facebook, this kind of interface might appear if you are already logged into your account. So in order to add another account, what you have to do is simply tap on the try bar icon in the top right corner, and once you do that, on the other page you will be directed into menu. So from here, scroll down right to the bottom and then tap on Logout. On the other page, you will be logged out of your device. Out here you can see that I already have a secondary account. In case if you add another account, so this kind of interface might appear on your device. In case you only have one single account on your device, then in order to add another one, tap on login into another account. So the procedure is similar. All you have to do is you'll have to enter your login information of the secondary account that you actually want to add it. Out here you can see that you can either enter your phone number or an email address and password that is linked with your Facebook account. And once you're done entering your information, tap on login. And here you can see that I'm logged into my secondary account, and now you'll be able to switch account at any time. So that is how you can add multiple accounts on your Facebook. So that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.